everyone. My name is Reva Prameswari with the three last digits to the number 056. I am a student from the international class of 2024 in the Applied Bachelor Program of Public Administration, Universitas Negeri Surabaya. In this video, I'll be demonstrating an archiving system using my personal help documents as part of my archival assignment. To organize the documents, I apply a combination of a subject-based and chronological filling system. So, without any further more, let's get started. Here is the initial condition of my documents. As we can see, they are still unorganized and mixed together. The first step is identifying active and inactive records. Active records, which I place on the right side, are documents that are still used at the present time. Meanwhile, inactive records placed on the left side are documents that are no longer frequently used. I separate them from the beginning to make the organizing process easier and more efficient. In this practice, I use subject-based filling system combined with a chronological system. Documents are grouped based on their type and then arranged by year from the most recent to the oldest. First, I classify the active records and then I classify the inactive records. The documents are grouped into 5 categories such as test results, referrals, medical certificate, medical queue, and control letters. Documents that no longer have any value and will be destroyed later are also separated from the others. After classification, the next step is indexing. Each document is labeled using a code that includes the category, document type, year, and sequence number. For example, TR/MRI/24/1 represents the first MRI results in 2024. After indexing, the documents are stored in folders based on their categories. Active records are placed in a yellow folder, while inactive records are stored in a black folder. For inactive records, I am using dividers to separate them into 3 categories such as test results, referrals, and medical certificates. Then, the documents are arranged based on their type within each category and sorted chronologically from the most recent to the oldest. And here is the final results. All documents are well organized and systematically arranged. Next, I destroy inactive records that no longer have any value, such as old medication, queue slips, and expired control letters. And here is the final results. All documents are well organized and systematically arranged. this practice, I chose this filing system because it makes it easier to find documents in the future. By organizing them based on subject and year, everything becomes more structured and efficient. Well, during the process, I found that the system is quite effective for managing personal records as it helps keep documents organized and easy to access. However, I face some challenge, especially because of the large number of documents. I had to be very careful during classification since some documents were accidentally placed to wrong category. Overall, I believe the system will remain effective even if the number of documents increases, as long as it is applied consistently. And I also plan to use this system in my daily life to manage my documents more efficient. And that's all for me. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.